Welcome to Integrity Car Sales and Rentals Wheelchair Vehicle Specialists. This is a Toyota Alphard. It is a wheelchair accessible vehicle made in factory in Japan by Toyota. It's a lightweight electric aluminium ramp and hydraulic rear lowering to allow easy rear access for the wheelchair occupant. The rear of the wheelchair is attached to the floor with oval pockets and key restraints. The lessened gradient from the ramp to the ground means the wheelchair occupant can safely reverse out of the car. When closing the car, all you need to do is push the button and the rear hydraulics lift as the ramp folds up. When the wheelchair occupant is ready to re-enter the vehicle, the opposite applies. So at the push of a button, the rear ramp lowers and the car lowers also. For the wheelchair to occupy the second position, front retractable belts are released from the interior, taken out of the vehicle and hooked onto the front of the wheelchair. Pushing the electric light onto the on position means the belts will hold the wheelchair in place if it stops at any time. The wheelchair is then safe to go in, so there's a safety mechanism. Once the wheelchair is in the second position, the rear key restraints can be attached. The Alphards have a cream interior, carpet floors and velour seats. They are built for comfort and, as we said before, for highway driving. To view more information on this vehicle or our other 40 plus vehicles, please visit www.icsar.com.au or call 02 9981 1884.